Hi, welcome back everyone. My name is Mary. I'm with the Synthetic Grass Store. Today is video 4 of our continuing series on artificial turf and proper installation, understanding the products that are used and the base systems, etc. Today's focus is going to be the infill process. The infill process is based upon manufacturer specifications for the amount of weight required, which goes into the artificial turf. Now you're going to use a regular drop spreader, like as if you were seeding a natural yard. As you're spreading the infill, you want to make sure the fibers are broomed up. That way the infill naturally falls down into the fibers. Your end user, whether it be a homeowner or a commercial property, doesn't necessarily see the infill that goes in. The infill creates a ballast. The ballast helps hold those fibers up and helps create a stability, a weight of the product to where it doesn't create wrinkles, etc. Now there are different infill products out there. The standard and most commonly used is silica sand. Silica sand is a naturally found sand. Basically it's washed, and there are different versions and different grits of silica. Most commonly used is a 30 grit silica. There is copper slag. Copper slag is a darker colored material. It is a little bit heavier. It is an industrial byproduct that's also commonly used in artificial turf. A lot of installers like to use it because it's a little cleaner than your silica sand. You have crumb rubber, which is still commonly used on kids' playgrounds and on your athletic fields. When you see those football players running on, Sunday morning or Saturday morning college football, you see that black stuff flying out as they're running. The kick out, the fly out is from the crumb rubber. Again, it's based upon manufacturer standards on how much goes into place. On an athletic field, you can have as much weight as 6 to 7 pounds of silica, plus a pound, just depending on what the pile height of the artificial turf is, on how much infill goes on top of the turf. For pet areas, there's a lot of different options. Envirofill, Optifill, Zeofill, all of these type of products are really geared towards pet facilities or artificial turf backyards where we know there's going to be pet use. The Envirofill and the Optifill have antimicrobial properties to them. And basically what that does, it doesn't allow the urine or the bacteria to form on the blades of the artificial turf or on the infill itself. Zeofill is an all-natural volcanic ash, and it comes in different forms. But basically what it does is, as the animal is using the artificial turf to go to the restroom, the zeofill will then kind of trap in the moisture and help neutralize it as it's drying. On some unique application, there's even coconut, commonly used in a lot of areas like baseball fields and different fields where the budget allows for a little bit higher quality, a little bit softer, cleaner infill product. The infill process is one of the final phases of putting in your artificial turf. Once you've got the silica or your infill kind of spread down in and power broom those fibers up, your final step is going to be cleanup. You're going to come across the yard with a water hose and you're going to hose it down. What that will do is help layer and level out the silica or the infill that you've chosen for your project. And that's all you got, guys. This has been video 4 of the Synthetic Grass Store, how to install artificial turf and understanding the products. Thanks. Have a great day.